Fastest way to sharpen any photo in Affinity. First, open your image and take a closer look at the details. In Affinity, there are several ways to sharpen an image, but in this tutorial, I'll show you one of the fastest and most effective methods using the Unsharp Mask filter. Right side click Filters. Live Unsharp Mask filter. Go to the top menu, click on Filters, then New Live Filters layer. Choose Sharpen and select Unsharp Mask. These are the other ways, but here I am going to use Unsharp Mask. Click on it. Now, let's adjust the settings. The radius controls the size of the details being sharpened. A smaller radius enhances fine details, while a larger radius affects bigger areas of the image. The factor slider controls the strength of the sharpening effect. Increase it gradually until the image looks sharp but still natural. Keep exploring and adjusting the settings to achieve the best result. And that's it. You've successfully sharpened your image in Affinity Photo quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share the video. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what tutorial you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.